Hello guys, and welcome to another profile tree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to change your YouTube channel name. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So there's actually two ways we can do this. We can do it either on the desktop version or on the mobile version. I'm going to go ahead and show you both ways on doing it, and I'm more showing you guys due to the fact of the different layout, but it should be similar enough in terms of actually completing the change for the channel name. So go ahead and choose your preferred search engine and search up YouTube, and go ahead and open up your YouTube link. So it's fairly straightforward to do. Of course, there may be some other tutorials out there that show you a more complicated way. This is the easy way to do it. All you need to do is click on the top right onto your channel name. Go ahead and click your channel. Now you don't need to do any method like changing your profile picture and then coming back from there. All you need to do is select customize channel. So it'll open up a new page and you'll be brought to YouTube Studio. So that's another way of doing it as well. So if you want to go ahead and click, instead of your channel, you can go ahead and click on the YouTube Studio instead. So you'll be able to click on that. Now we're actually already on the channel customization. It's located on your left side there, just under the urn. Now you want to go ahead and select basic info. And there you have it. So just below name, I can go ahead and edit the channel name. So of course, if you do have a verification badge, if you do proceed with changing your name, you will lose your verification badge and you'll have to redo everything, like through phone number or email. So you can go ahead and proceed. So once you've went ahead and clicked proceed, all you need to do now is change the name. So I know we were at the other channel there at ProfileTree, so I'm going to go ahead and change the example profile here. So instead of PT example, I'm going to change it to ProfileTree example. And when you're happy enough, of course this is the handle, so this is how it represents when you see it on a link. So it's https://www.youtube.com, and then of course the PT example. You can go ahead and change that, so if you want it to be ProfileTree example, so the handler will be ProfileTree example. So that's how it's going to show up within the actual URL. So I'm happy enough with the name, I'm happy enough with the handle. All I need to do now is select publish. So it does a loading animation in the top there. Takes about a minute or two. So once everything is changed, as you can see, it did the change there. If I go ahead and refresh this page, hopefully it will change the PT example to ProfileTree example. And as you can see on the left there, it's now changed to ProfileTree example. So it's as easy as that to do on desktop. I'm going to go ahead and jump in and show you guys how to do it on the mobile version. So we're now going to go ahead and do the mobile version. So go ahead and open up the YouTube app, and on the top right, go ahead and select your profile link. Click your channel. So we'll go ahead and click your channel now. And this is pretty much straightforward. It'll be the same thing, but of course this is an easier process to do it on the mobile app. And on the right, you'll see a little pencil. Click on that. And there you are, we're on the channel settings. So go ahead and change your name. We'll go ahead and change this back to PT example. So I'll go ahead and delete that and change it to PT example. And we'll click save. And for the handle, I'm going to go ahead and change that as well to PT example. So PT example. Okay, we'll put an underscore in that one just so it can work. Okay, we'll click save. And just so you can see your changes, go back and go back again. And then go back to your profile, go to your channel, and there you are. it is now being changed to PT example. So again, there's a little pencil on the far right. That's where you go to channel settings. So the steps on the mobile version is a lot simpler compared to the desktop version. It's more or less the same thing anyway, but I thought to just show you guys on how to do both of the methods on changing your channel name. But there you go, folks. It's as easy as that. That's how to change your YouTube channel name. If you did find this video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.